kind Ediama Judas first year of Israel anyway. Man, we say goalkeeper in post. Your Freddie Kane. Number 2, your John. Number 3, Nebuchadnezzar. Position number 4, Saul. Goliath number 5. King Herod number 6. King Pharaoh number 7. Jezebel number 8. Samson number 9. Captain of the side Judas Iscariot. Position number 10. And then Adam number 11. First 11 for the Judas Iscariot. First 11. First 11 for Jesus Christ. Thomas, Simon, Philip, Matthias, Matthew, Simon Peter, Luke, John, James, Captain of the side Jesus Christ, and Andrew. The green spot has opened the volume loud to climax out Mama C. Your boys, shout out to your boy Nicholas. Zan, zan, zan. Allah wa kubadu ene de besi nye mepam chow Kofi Asare Brako a seasoned journalist and one of the best sports commentators Republic of Ghana, formerly of Peace FM, now with the Ministry of Youth and Sports. Israel ha mabano me we say yes park na abode na Sabrino and China match no yede ba be so in the first 11 for the Jesus Christ team is led by Thomas, Simon, Philip, Matthias, Matthew, Simon Peter, Luke, John, James. Jesus Christ is the captain and number 11 is Andrew. In the number 1 no Thomas, number 2 Simon, number 3 Philip, and 4 Matthias, number 5 Matthew, number 6 Simon Peter, number 7 Luke, number 8 John, number 9 James, and number 10 the captain of the side Jesus Christ of Nazareth, and number 11 is Andrew. These are the reserve players for the Jesus Christ first 11. Bartholomew and Mary, the mother of Jesus Christ, Ohima Esther, King David, and King Solomon. These are the first 11 for Judas Iscariot. First 11 for Judas Iscariot. Number 1, Cain. Number 2, Jonah. Number 3, Papa Nebuchadnezzar. Number 4, Saul. Goliath. Number 5. Number 6, King Herod. Number 7, King Pharaoh. Number 8, Jezebel. Number 9, Samson. Number 10, Judas Iscariot, the captain. And Nana Adam. Na ene tiwara ampaya enya. Now first 11 now. Peter Square at the Facebook Live. I'm watching all the way from Israel. Facebook Live or first 11 of Jesus Christ team no. Peter Square at the park not war. But I'm on parking live. Obisa Godia nka Kwame Abua Adana Adam Owo Judas Iscariot team nim That's what they do Ojo kanza na Adam that's what they do And all river Sana menso mega obeala Sana menso mega obeala Sana menso mega obeana. Sana menso mega obeana. Anenya mesenese. Aneke mare onyame wo. Kiwa. Ha. Bakinu so jamo. I'm your commentator this evening. First 11 for the Jesus Christ first team. Thomas Simon the Zealot. Philip is in the game. Matthias, Matthew, Simon Peter, Luke, John, James, Jesus Christ, and Andrew. And then Empire Belgrade Parky Super Papa. Tel Aviv is the venue of attraction. All the way from Israel. So we hear commentator Odia in can dress on the tip of plus and ho. Now yabe ma go share commentary box ni mu a. Utim say sa kwa ma charge. Park no suni be brain tad na red. Kaso yesu awu. Ma bomb me duku red and my Jimmy red frugu and me do commentary box ni mu ha. Me say na obeto asum. Wo bete sound. Hey Jehovah, you are wonderful. I will lift up your name. Oh. Jehovah, 5 minutes more, we shall be kicking. 5 minutes more, ladies and gentlemen. Parking in Jamo, parking in Panajamo. Manfuan said the message is a good piece of our life. Facebook Live. Pastor Sammy, also for the Pastor Sammy. Also the Judas is preparing for red card. Watching you live from Winneba. I love your dressing code. Please, you are from where? If you to know, I am from Achimabwabo. Mensa Edward, was it Judas in post? Bribe on Kwa. My name is Bernard Quantin. Please, which club are playing? Today, Jesus Christ 11 against Judas Iscariot 11. I am reporting all the way from Israel, Tel Aviv Sports Stadium. I am Odienka Kwame Abua, your solid commentator. This evening is going to Fanta Bruta. Live on a Kwansubra bro. All the way from Ghana to Israel, Tel Aviv. Thank you so much, Nana Dankwa Kufado. You gave me a special flight that brought me here yesterday night. So as I talk to you, I'm reporting from Israel, Tel Aviv Sports Stadium. Parking Yamabo, Nipana Bodom, Simami and Sani at Yasia Grupamanoso. Kasama, Jesus, Majekwa, Kasama, Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes we shall be joining the feed from Israel Sports Stadium, and I am going to be in charge. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the Tel Aviv Sports Stadium from Israel. A crucial match between the first 11 of Jesus Christ and the first 11 of Judas Iscariot. And now Empire na Edra Agupamano so there. And now your Good Friday and then your cool Yesu Christo. A cheerful and maybe Pimo is General Umbreno. Cronin tidy. Babia tidy. Jaman Focus and the match in the Behu. Matchino Ebehu. Who's a man no de Mamma Mia? Ibra Kadabra. Halwa. Tel Aviv Sports Stadium. I can't see my Bakumia Numiansa. Now you're the match no Aishaso. Sadia Medica Gajamono. Did what I can come here, boy. Do that is characters in Packet so. I brand it in Packet so. I pray with fans. Who Parking is why they you papa. And now I think I bury a tinga. Yesu Christo na dini kira tu obejidi pankwa. Na nsanu obeworu. Oberi asiba bro brati zedi padaseni. Yesu Christo ya bonu aso Jordan. Aso Jordan ne bo Yesu Christo su. Ni mama adi Mary, ni papa adi Joseph. Oberi asima abawa Mary. Obebula no hu bemada. Wono no hu Yesu Christo. Ene ayagu Friday. Ajasi yaka Yesu Christo ni wonu. Eno ana Israel we organize a very crucial match between the first 11 of Jesus Christ and that of Judas Iscariot. Indeed, Odian can call me your commentator for this evening on Peace 104.3 FM. A Kwansubra is the name of the show. Wherever you may be, catching the show live on Peace FM Online. Peace FM Online. Once a commentator, my Bobby Red Top, my Bobby Red Duku, the whole Ghana, the whole Israel. The message of Mutembo, a bozege. The man just was Zegewe. Hello. Judas Iscariot now early team now but at home. First 11. Cain goalkeeper number 1 Cain. John number 2, Nebuchadnezzar number 3, Saul number 4, number 5 Goliath, King Herod number 6, John the Baptist won this team with King Pharaoh number 7, Jezebel number 8, Samson number 9, Judas Iscariot number 10 the captain, and Yegna Nana Adam number 11. One hour we reserve very much. Judas Iscariot verse 11 in here. Eve, Ananias, and the wife of Lot. Parking is what we need to for. Jesus Christ on evidence parking so. First level of Jesus Christ. What is the parking so? Thomas the goalkeeper, Thomas, Simon the Zealot, Philip, Matthias, Matthew, Simon Peter, Luke, John, James, Jesus Christ the captain, and Andrew. Agrono bed papa. Me Canada. Did you can come all the way from Israel, Tel Aviv. Commentary brought to you by This Way Chocolate Drink here in social. This Way Chocolate Drink here in social. And Nijaba. Me say yes, Mammy Mary. We him younger to watch. Mary. Referee Zacchaeus abeg your back no so. Watoso kwano. Watoso Yesu wini. Judas is the one chance. I don't know Yesu winning terms are. Watoso kwano. Judas is the one chance. Referee Zacchaeus catch Chris. Yes, study one answer was bash papa. Wasu betimi ayeshe. Papa. And Chebiana ya baba she agrona se. Manso mu bon national anthem no. Tim Simeonu brought the Israelis national anthem from the Tel Aviv Sports Stadium. This is your commentator, the atmosphere is charged and it is going to be fun to brutal, very unpredictable game. Who is going to win at the end of the day? The first 11 of Judas Iscariot and that of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. And then papa. Yesu Christo. One in the Judas Iscariot and nation for at the Zacchaeus ashana ben science bonase bono equita abrante ani di Jonah obeti di bona kwana Jonah danu ba ku mesa oboni tiso wapeja ba tete Nebukadnezar papa Nebukadnezar ba ku mesa waje madama hwan King Pharaoh odi bona bonachi etebe ko wiem Kenya eujefo who say man no day ayita Basabisi parking in Sunti left in the Bona Benz or Mutombo. Minimum the Judas Iscariot. And it in the Wolfus is here. Miss Sam Rises and Andrew Ray. DJ Tozik and DJ Kojo Hansen. We are watching the match all the way from Israel with my team here. Peter Square on the Facebook Live. Bonukuta Samson. Samson Tobacco. What you mean? Oh, there be Peter. Simon Peter. What Samson papa. We can never with him. A cheerful Peter Nyakuma. Peter Wanyakuma. Simon Peter Tobose. Referee Alfred Simon Peter. I see Abranta Tobo. Namunu Yesu Christo never born. Monina ho. And young Basadi Bioha. Mons Simon Peter. A bonny Jugosia Samasa. Bono at the center Sakeho. King Herod. Ababa Gentry, Wabomu Tin, a typical mana, Kenya, Matazini Akabono, but Jabon Peter Banibonakona, Odama John Bedmadano, Odama James, the one who got over, then the one who got, Odama Jesus Christ, let go to whom. A queen names were Judas Iscariot, Wakui Bono, and your 3 years to get to get him. When she is simple cry, if you free at Teno, if you free at Judas. Na minimum dia wakena no abia so sa Judas akena no abia so papa so probi afna no park ni so aburo na bantrim peace 104.3 FM all the way from Tel Aviv Bono Ayetro Yabeto Bono adia Jesus generation Jesus verse 11 Abrantia ni dini Nebukadnezar wono no baba for Bono atobo ne tetente etebe ko yuma na Kenya Jezebel Oba say Jezebel. What the one ko? Adanu bag milmesa. What the one abrechi? Aman Samson. Now so boa. Philip obey bonu Adolphe Samson ano. Philip Bobo me on my back pass. What my goalkeeper impose Thomas. To my bed maybe Biana. But James the check abono. On the battery. Oh, wow. I go no fair. But James John the Luke the Bonico. Simon Peter the go. Once again, a timely intervention by the position number 7, King Pharaoh. Pharaoh akwa drop ball on floor. Pharaoh akwa you ball on floor. Yes, ya kaya simama akwa numnie. First 11 of Jesus Christ in Shebi. Son of first 11 of Judas Iscariot. What we should be. Peace 104.3 all the way from Tel Aviv, Israel. Parking in so Papa. This way chocolate being doing here in Sosia. I am your commentator, Dian Kan Kwame Abua, international killer Abubunia, the Abu Zigiman. Bono Ekra Adam. Position number 11, Adam the Bona Ben Fifi from Batman and Super you born every war. Bona Babuka James midfield dynamo, or the Bona go behind. Simon Peter, Simon the Matthew the Bona Bakwana, Matthew the Man Philip Adano, Bakum Yermesa, Philip the Man Simon the Bonico, when Jabon Mayosu, Jesus Christ, Captain, what the Bonico? I don't know why. I just want him danger. Said the Judas Iscariot, what taking Yesu Christ on another day. O man ha ban kwa antenwe Yesu ti fifre papa ewiase nyina tumi kra no nanso parking so ne wu ti fifre ye Judas Iscariot who say man all day. This man is a giant. He's just a fantastic player. He wears jersey number 10 and Jesus Christ wears jersey number 10. Yankan Kwame Abua all the way from Tel Aviv, Israel. And there you Good Friday. Now we be PMO Israel Memuha. Said you need Papa don't go back to be young Grashame. Radian Gubon actually to me what Tirium Kama. The atmosphere is good for sports. We've done almost 10 minutes inside the first half of the game. Still, it remains barren. No goal to either side. Judas Iscariot first 11-0 and Jesus Christ of Nazareth first 11-0. Yeah, Peter score. Yeah.
Papa na odi Judas o notice a o say enwi woni na ho pa.
Yeah.
Nti ye de ball no ma na kakra na aso person o yi kete ba unhu de oye.
Yeah.
But me sure say o composing who ye a obe ba game.
Okay. Toxic.
Odi.
So far so good.
First 10 minutes.
Yeah, what game na
okay.
Fine. But them say Judas said Peter Kano position na all born na mo no.
Okay.
One say or skillful player.
Yeah. Judas is a very skillful player.
Yes, into say because on no say ada there will game mu pa.
Yeah, na juma.
Team games na at Messi munya uya obeg grow hu say but road now born into nya space. In fact, movie around. Once the players are motorcycle, all the time when space are obey me. I done and honya enough time.
But first 10 minutes, Nebuchadnezzar, who is saying?
Oh, on your bad.
As we Munebisano.
Game, what's that?
Toxic Tomo Mame. Laughing about a penalty. Nebuchadnezzar came back with your room and would jab all the Madima. Ken who want to French, you want to have the bottle. It's a one Peter, Simon Peter. Or Pierre, you want to take 10. Bono, I a penalty. For referee Zacchaeus. What J penalty they take you to Timno. The first 11 of Jesus Christ. Penalty, you have a body at home. Mount Judas Iscariot. Wabejina Bonachi. Hey, Judas Abejina Bonachi. Obeti the body Bibiana. Once walk at the book at Nether, some woman fans. Penalty on my crowd fans. A cheer for Park is all Teddy. Judas Iscariot is just behind the 18-yard box. Now, born with the Odi. What did they say? Asoni Sisi. Minimara love in Casa. penalty back kwa Judas Iscariot so babo no park no so nyina tedi Yesu Kristo so siri trase mo nse odinza atwatwa fam wona ni papa kasa Yesu adinza atwatwa fam akaye mra wono oba ayi ni kasa no osi aja akwade be gina cheyo ni hu ye pa wani asimimu Judas penalty asimimu enye ize park na tedi ba kumienu miansa referee tell to the boy referee to boy edianie Judas Iscariot akona jiba kumienu miansa why see Ronaldo the enemy wapuna fu Judas Iscariot abobana hey Peter no obi ya yemu akire ho ajefu obona hey menya Peter wanu obi ya yemu akire ho Moses Peter ko kana gwa che yona ana so Nyankopɔn ma ukoi Peter na kasa che no penalty ne bobo yeah you ready oh Nabi bona ho ya mpɔtefo said the Judas says mini over the bar the ball goes
of course on the Odi football
too much
a psychological game
okay
and me to me sir penalty na referee Nigeria no na enye penalty because
Zacchaeus
Zacchaeus ball we need was orge
oh okay
because one say defender no coin na can ball
okay
enti no na enye penalty enti one say yes sir
but then say na Peter no muna do muna call players no
exactly football dey say am say
Odi nisi otrisi kan Peter no otrisi kan kra enti me sure say referee no hu santi no oje
another say oje back so na knife no oh okay
so because why no say obi obe ben Jesus bia no obe
clear go na Nebuchadnezzar obe Yesu
referee no sporting from afar no oje penalty enti me feel say penalty ni there the right score
massa Debbie penalty and nothing ama Judas wakobo ball na say no because
na won was Judas as ball
of course atonus once abia wa feel say dey we ebi asigana pen ye je penalty man crofo bi ena nka ye pinjam crofo nso wo de momia monka ya ye bebo ase no omo se ye mobi okay the penalty bi wa ye jema wa kra be tonso
okay
ntino I think say also a referee no man any that for
DJ Toxic all the way from Israel. My name is Odian Kwame Abua, your commentator for this afternoon sports match. Crucial football between the first 11 of Judas Iscariot and that of Jesus Christ. There was a penalty in favor of Judas Iscariot, but they couldn't make good use of it, and therefore the game remains the same, 0-0 to each team. We have done almost 35 minutes of the first half. In about some 10-15 minutes, we shall be going for the first half. We shall be going for the end of the first half. Peace. 104.3 FM. Mamma mia. Who say man no day? Mami Yongum. Yao Saji Fonaman. Dan Kwakuabua. And then Bruce Smith. Afriki Joe. And Imadu Bongo Di Farah. Romeo Odro. Thank you for the support. You jiramu did. Bono Ababe Kwa Yesu Kristo Shafono. Bono Kwa Yesu Kristo Shafono. Wow, more than Barcelona. Philip de Bona Matias, Matati Bona Bakona, or Jamie Mamatu Martin Santa Sake, or Bona Chicaca, or Jamie for Peter, one who could try the book at Nezano, and I Panatino. Look, you're a very gentle player, or Jamie Dama John James Dandano, or Yama Andrew Bomate, and therefore Philip in the Bocabonum. Namini Minas Philip in Bob Bossa. Philip Warren Bob Boye, Papa. A very good number 3. Jabano Diama look at the ball Bemana. For the next 2-3 minutes here. Jesus Christ Timono, Amubo Nina, Jamdama Andrew, Yesu Christ Abana Matai, on a one with the or Court Noba, na Emma, Babakobia, na Judas Iscariot, what Nachidi Dente, Bono Dasu Eguta Simon Peter, Simon Danda no Vivimo, or Matthew, Martin de Bonbacona, or Jamdama John Matinako, Nazoba, Goliath, Bama 10 gram Hofodia. Barry Martin 10 gram Hofodia. Go to the body go. 1 man time. Matthias. What an interception. Timely interception on the part of the great Matthias, a disciple of Jesus Christ. He is a follower of Jesus Christ. Wakokos topple Goliath. Who's a man no day? Mande papa. wɔyi bɔɔl no ade afiri hɔ sɛ bɔɔl no kuta Saul for Judas Iscariot team for the Herod de bɔɔl no kɔ ɛdɛma King Pharaoh Jezebel ɔba abɛsi a wada no baako bi anim ɛsa ɔdɛma hoɔden for Samson de bɔɔl no kɔ ɔdɛma ne captain Judas Iscariot wada no baako bi anim ɛsa wɔyi de fam Yesu Kristo kɔ Judas so ɛyi wa paase bɔɔl no Judas Iscariot paase bɔɔl no de afiri hɔ ɔso woban mɛ mini pa woban Yesu Kristo kɔ so apɛ ɛna Judas Iscariot ɔkra bɔɔl no firi hɔ koraa bɔɔl no ɛyɛ throw. Yeah, bɔɔl no ɛyɛ throw. Peace 104.3. Peace 104.3. Peace 104.3. Sɛdeɛ Yesu Kristo ati fifire no. Oh, atiɛfoɔ. Hey, Mary, Yesu ma mɛtɛ si baaki ni so. Atiɛfoɔ Yesu ma mɛtɛ si baaki ni so. Wɔsi Yesu nya bɔɔl bɔɔl mu tuta no. Mary sɛ Yesu nya bɔɔl bɔɔl mu tuta no. Judas yɛ tuna ni esi Yesu si wɔ baaki ni so. Oh my God, what a game. Yesu ma mɛtɛ si baaki ni so. Wɔsɔ ma Yesu ma bɔɔl ni biom. Judas tuta no. DJ Toxic. Yes, mama, na pass. Yes, mama.
And I make an answer security for me, so you're vigilant because now me can do that as a that's why very very skillful player.
That's right.
But not doing all the other game we.
I didn't get.
I find a matter game no use on us because once attacking midfielder.
That's right.
So in this game you should be offensive minded.
Wow.
But because of person or marking Jesus in Tino. We're giant attacking role.
And what can you say?
Why you central midfielder no Jesus sechi.
Okay.
And
okay.
What you say?
Okay, Peter.
Also or checking when you but security for me here. Mary also Ubano game their sanity football and yam magro. Madi and Oklahoma. Into also Mary will say Nebano a professional international star. Also Janina Udiago.
Okay. Peter.
Odi na wo ti commentary box ni ti we hu de cost. Na me was stance ni.
Okay.
Ena won say Bartholomew fa bottle every park ni so to bar stance.
Yeah.
Nti na
say Bartholomew no reserve team ni.
Aha, nti ono to we bottled water ni bar stance.
Okay.
Nti na Mary so yeah then Otisay park ni.
Anti go kwaji di ba no.
Nti anko kwaji ni ba.
O mbezo mbeku de.
But me won say security for aba park ni so.
Wasa de man why dem kwa no mbeku na.
Because Bartholomew esu woni trimu pa.
Sound.
Ordinary no otwitwa nkofo. Ebi wonu ma hu but nya ye distance no bi.
Okay. Peace 104.35 minutes more. We shall be bringing the first half to an end from the Tel Aviv Sports Stadium all the way from Israel. My name is Odia Nkankwam Yabua. Agupramanu so Aisha Ede. Hitches Kakrabi the Bem. Mary Yesu Mami Uzadabi. Said the Judas is Kanibano. So one fan one you get man continue by Yesu Christ on the park and as well. What is that nobody name? Yesu Yawuni Bas as his name. And your boy went to a boy name. Judas is can't tell boy as Nese Krobia. Watching and what Bias and woman say Kusu. A brand new Jumbaniti. Namia watch about to Kianiki. About Fabiano. So when your mama said, yeah, Judas is kind of very unpredictable. Very, very unpredictable. Let me read some messages from your end on Facebook Live. Game no Diogusua Akoso. Game no Egusua Akoso. Clifford Ebenezanana. Was see so many predictions fall in water, ending in tears. Wow. Was see Nyamiba Jojo. Indeed, Odi. You are the rare image of Father Fifi Banson. Father Dixon Fifi Banson. Congrats to you. Thank you so much. Mary is mother and she is feeling for the pains. My name is Cargo Van. Was it there? Judas said you try Yesu Kristo no. Mary, what about time? You know go for the banner. And Nimado will finish you tomorrow. Play. My name is Felix Schneider, and this is coming from Solomon Siama. I like what you are doing. God bless you for making us happy. Michael Entry, as you will deal you too much. Please let the commentary continue. Bartholomew is the lineup. Is he in the lineup? Yeah, Bartholomew is in the lineup. Wafa BK, successful donation to Soccer Bet. Them. Okay. I just Soccer Bet. Yeah, Judas the body go. Judas. Oh, what's that? Judas asa kwatiawe. Akesi maba kumienu miensa. Na ye di ofa di kanu abenawiye. Oh, Mother Mary is bleeding. Mother Mary is bleeding. My name is Adwa Roberta Mrs. Okefem. John Bosco is watching live from where? Shaibu. You do all. My name is Louis Missy. Boaten Ata Abozi Godita Dangwabua to add you to his commentators. My name is Judas Never Love. Was it what Judas Never Love his life? Was it Judas' account? One straight. What's it one straight? My name is Sami Abbas. Bianca. We are Janos. Thank you so much. Richard O. Answer. Boss, you are good. Boss, you are good. A team for Chabia. Ofa Eddie Canning in a Babina. Ofa Eddie Cannon, a Babina. Referee Abana Benz for Eddie Canning. Judas is Scout and Shabby. Samson and Jesus Christo Tino. And so and Shabby. You didn't do